Hello and welcome dear students to another video on Excel for beginners. In this video I am going to show you how you can insert headers and footers into your Excel sheets, right? So I have an Excel sheet which contains a total of 200 records. In order to insert header and footer, you need to go to the insert tab. By clicking on insert tab, you have the text portion over there, the text group. In the text group you select header and footer, and here you see the headers and footers are created. Remember one thing, that these headers and footers are created according to the page adjustment, that how your page would be printed once you print them, right? So you have this header. Now you have three different portions in your header depending upon your requirement. So once you click on this header, you see that the design tab appears, right? If you click on anywhere else, the design tab just disappears, but once you click on the header and footer, the design tab appears. Inside the design tab you have these header and footer elements, and you can insert these elements. For example, if I want to insert the page number, I just write over here page, and then I click on the page number. So it will actually show me the page number. I click on here and see page 1. Once I go down, it's page 2, then page 3, then so on, right? Then we have some other options as well. For example, if I want to print like page 1 of total pages, right? So I write over here off, and then I have the number of pages, which actually shows the total number of pages. I click on it, and you see once I click over there, so page 1 of 5, and then page 2 of 5, then page 3 of 5, then page 4 of 5, and so on, right? So just like that, I can actually insert the pages or in total number of pages and the current page. Okay, I have other options as well. For example, I have the current date. I click on it, and then I have the current time, and you can see that it is actually showing me the date and time on every sheet, in the header of the every sheet. Remember that it's the date function and the time functions are fully dynamic functions. If I open this file tomorrow, it will actually pick the latest time by then from the system date and time, right? We have other things as well. For example, if I want to insert some sort of picture over there, just click on the picture. For example, if I have some logo of my company or whatever, so I click on this. Okay, the picture is inserted. Go to format, adjust its height. Okay, and here you see that this picture is actually presented, you can say, as the logo on every page. You can see, right? This is about headers. Now you can come to footers as well. Click on the footer. Again, you have three different places in which you can insert different sort of things. For example, if I want to insert the file name over there in this footer, so I can simply click file name, and if I click over here, you can see the file name is book 3 because I haven't saved it with a different name. Similarly, if you want to write some text over there, I write SN Ishfaq. Okay, so it will be printed on every page, as you can see, right? And similarly, all the things which I can insert in the header portion, I can insert it in the footer as well. For example, the sheet name. Okay, so here it is, sheet 1. Okay, yes, this is sheet 1. So sheet 1 is printed on every page, right? So this is how you can insert different pages and different here you see in the print preview, you can see it is presenting exactly according to the headers and footers set by us. These are different 5 pages, and in every page, at every page, you can see the headers and the footers as designed by us, right? So I hope it is clear. This is how you can insert any header and footer in any Excel file. If you have any question, please write me down. I will try my best to answer it. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thank you very much.